matched betting tools that find and calculate every profitable angle. Pioneering matched betting software since 2009. 100,000 plus paying customers. Industry-leading reputation. Get instant access. What is matched betting? Matched betting is a way of converting bookie-free bets into money you can withdraw. By covering all outcomes of an event, you can use promotions to lock in a profit regardless of the final result. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Bookies run offers constantly. Most punters waste them because they don't know how to extract the value. Once you learn the system, you're not gambling anymore. You're banking tax-free profit before the event even starts. Plus pound 25.00. Plus pound 15.00. Plus pound 42.00. Total profit. Plus pound 82.00. ProfitMaximiser does the hard work. You just follow it. Never bet before? Been punting for years? Either way, we do the heavy lifting. We find the opportunities. Then we walk you through each bet with step-by-step instructions. Get instant access. New customer offers. Build your bankroll with the bookie's money. Follow the simple steps for every welcome bonus and pocket the profit. Accumulator Bet Finder. Turn a cut offers into profit. The software hunts down the opportunities and handles all the maths. Win or lose, you walk away with money in your pocket. Casino bonuses. We find the highest value casino bonuses and give you the strategy to cash them out. You follow the steps. The profit lands in your account. Existing customer offers. The money keeps rolling after you've cleared the welcome bonuses. Bookies and casinos run promotions constantly. The software tracks them all and shows you how to profit from every one. 2-Up Hunter. Unlock the most hidden gold mine in football betting. You just place the bets and watch the returns build. Value betting. Stack more profit on top of matched betting. Find bets the market has overlooked and squeeze more from your bankroll every month. Exchange strategies and software. Skip the bookies altogether. Find genuine value on the exchanges. This is where your real long-term edge is. Here's how it works. Profitable bets land on your screen every day. Our team tracks every bookie promotion running right now. They work out which strategies are pulling the biggest returns. And find where the real money is today. You log in and the best bets are already sitting there waiting for you. No research needed. No working things out yourself. Just profitable opportunities ready to place. The software shows you exactly what to place. No guessing. No working it out yourself. The software shows you which bets to place, which bookies to use, and the exact stakes down to the penny. You just follow what's on screen. You place the bets and watch the money roll in. Your job is simple. Log into the bookies. Place the bets the software's already found and calculated. By the time the event kicks off, the profit's already yours. You're just waiting for it to land. ProfitMaximiser members. Bet to grow their profits. These aren't fairy tales, they're real results and honest feedback from punters who've used the system and seen what works. Here's what they're saying about their results. Editor rating. I think Mike Cruikshank's new ProfitMaximiser service is going to be one of the big hits, and I can say hand on heart, if you follow the instructions and just get involved, you will make a lot of money over the coming weeks, months, and years. Like all betting and trading products, I look at them as an investment. A year's ProfitMaximiser membership is an excellent investment, as it will potentially return thousands of pounds in profit if you are prepared to put a little time into it. I have no hesitation in recommending ProfitMaximiser, and it gets a 5-star rating from me. We have completed our trial of ProfitMaximiser, and here are the final results. Profit/loss. Plus £2,469. Bank growth. 123%. ROI. 59%. Average number of bets. Up to 20 per day. Verdict. Passed. Rating. Overall verdict, passed. Thoroughly recommended, and when you take into account what it can make you, quite possibly the best money you will ever spend. Ready to get started? Choose your membership plan and start today. Once you've joined, you get instant access to everything. Log straight in and the full system is there waiting for you. You can place your first profitable bets today. Annual, monthly, ProfitMaximiser. Buy now. £99 per year. 50 plus bookie offers. 50 plus casino offers. Existing customer offers, updated daily. Oddsmatcher. Accumulator generator. 2-up hunter advanced algo. Maximiser. Betting mastermind. Buy now. £150. X 3 months. Total year 1 cost, £450. Renewal, £100/year, fixed for life. Everything from ProfitMaximiser. Price boost radar. 20-minute golf system advanced algo. Each way sniper advanced algo. Lucky 15 Maximiser. Bookie blowup. Project Prosperity Training. Betfair Sniper. Betfair Renegade. Betfair 1% Club. Insiders Club System. You get 14 days to test everything. If it's not for you, just ask for your money back. No questions asked. Refunds apply to the ProfitMaximiser membership only and exclude Betting Mastermind. Here's what to do next. Choose your membership level and you'll get instant access to everything. The second you do, everything happens fast. Your login details will hit your inbox immediately. The step-by-step training starts right away. You'll get an email showing you exactly how to get started. In less time than it takes to make a cup of tea, you could be placing your first profitable bet. Common questions about ProfitMaximiser. Do I need any betting experience? Not a bit. If you can follow simple instructions, you're sorted. The software tells you which bets to place. The calculator gives you the exact stake amounts. The guides show you where to click on each bookie site. You're just doing what the system tells you to do. Plenty of our members had never even opened a betting account before they joined.